Now, once you've done that, with all that information, you're in a really good position now to start building internal support. And the first thing I would say about that second step there, and sometimes that is almost a little bit simultaneous with that first step. Like I said, it really depends on the business, where you already are and the amount of work you need to do in terms of upskilling people around sustainability. But the key thing to realize is that sustainability or ESG is not a siloed function. You can't just hire an ESG lead, give them a desk, and then basically throw everything on their desk. We've seen that boards sometimes say, oh, there's someone ESG in the business. It's their problem. It's not our problem. Let them deal with it. That's not the right approach. Sustainability really quite quickly now is becoming everyone's responsibility. It should really be embedded across the entire organizations as business as usual. So wherever you are, board, executive, employees, workforce, that whole kind of, everyone should be at some level think or contribute to sustainability. There might be tracking data for you. There might be implementing actions there, help you set goals and targets. And to do that, you really need to engage those internal stakeholders. You need to meet and engage with your executives, even and in particular with the ones that say, oh, ESG is not my area. They're the key ones to really educate and drive through that change management process there. You need to get buy-in from executives on educating the organization around ESG and sustainability, why it's important. Why are you doing this? And it's not just a compliance requirement. It might be also a compliance requirement that you do this. But as we've seen, there's a big strategic imperative there to do this. And there's a lot of around that access to capital, markets, workforce. There's a lot of reason to do this and to really start kind of seeing this as a strategic advantage rather than just a compliance exercise. And in doing those three things, you're starting to build that ESG business case. And ideally, you do want to frame it around that triple bottom line. Don't just say, oh, we need to do it for compliance reason, or it's good for people. No, it's good. It's something that really benefits people, planet, and our profit, our bottom line there, which is still important. So that internal support, it really depends where your business is at. Sometimes you might find there's not a lot of education required, and sometimes you have to go to a pretty lengthy, upskilling process, which might even include board members that need to have some courses and additional information, management level as well, really go through that change management process to get people to understand that it's not the one person with the shared desk that can do this. It's everyone's responsibility.